normal lang ba sa bata ang paggamit ng cellphone? Alam mo, in our society today, we are in the age of technology. 'Di ba parang abnormal yung bata na walang cellphone? 'Di ba? Parang hindi normal because we are now in the age of information. 'Pag nag-aral ka ngayon kailangan mo ng cellphone. Communication is very important, kailangan mo ng cellphone. So, yung mga parents na nagko-complain na inuubos yung oras ng mga anak sa cellphone, yun ang mali. The parents are there to regulate and to supervise, not just to provide, but to supervise, not just provision, but supervision and regulation. So let us not be blaming our children na nauubos yung oras nila sa cellphone. Dahil ikaw na parent, ikaw ang regulator. Remember that the principle in leadership says the behavior and attitude of your people is precisely the behavior and attitude that you as a leader tolerate. Yan ang tinolerate mo as a parent. So, we are in this digital age, information age, technological advancement was very, very fast. Maiiwanan yung anak natin kung hindi gumamit ng technology like the cellphone.